I need your help to plan a new machine learning course. Please go to the link in the description, enter your name or nickname, can be anything as long as you remember it after some time, and then proceed to draw 8 different items on the sketchpad. If you make a mistake, you can undo using this button right here. When you're done drawing all 8 items, press Done and all drawings will be sent to me. I'll use the data to train some machine learning models and implement one or more different applications. I at least want to code a system that can say what the drawing is, but maybe also one that recognizes you who is doing the drawing. Let's see, it really depends on the kind of data I get from you guys. And I can't start the course before I have it and study it a bit to see what methods work and what not. But it will be worth it, I think. You see, I could have easily used an existing dataset like QuickDraw. It has millions of such drawings and they're available for free. But I think that if you help me with this, you'll be curious to see what I do with your drawings, and you'll be more invested in the course. I also think you'll understand things better when you see calculations done on your own drawings rather than some you're not familiar with. So it's a win-win situation for both of us, I think. Now, at work, I already teach a version of this course in Python. But for you guys, I'll probably do it in JavaScript, since it's what I use most of the time. It won't really matter because I don't plan to use any libraries, not for the most part at least, so that we really understand how these methods work. So thanks if you decide to help me out, then see you guys.